Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal effect in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here, copy and paste it, and go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second video. Make sure the video is of somebody walking that can just talk properly, and I'm just going to place the text underneath the person walking. I'm just going to type in the word walking because I don't know what else to type currently. And I'll add in like a shadow so you guys can kind of see the text here. Okay, so he starts like walking from here. So I'm just going to place the text here, and I'm going to right click on the text, create compound clip. And I'm going to go to video and I'll go to mask and I'll select the horizontal one, and I'm going to move it like this way, feather it out just a little bit, and I'm going to add in a keyframe, and like frame by frame here I'm going to drag the line to start revealing the text. It doesn't have to be super accurate here, like that. Just keep going until all of your text is revealed. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!